Imagine turning a few scratch notes into a professional, print-ready marketing brochure in under 60 seconds, without even dragging and dropping a single element yourself. I'm going to show you exactly how to cheat code your design workflow right now, so make sure you stick around. Alrighty folks, so I'm super excited to be showing you how Vengage's new free AI brochure maker actually works in real time. So we've got our prompt set up ready to go, and I'm going to show you how cool this is, folks. If you do want to get signed up, folks, I highly recommend you do it. Watch the whole video. The links will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. So what is it all about? Designing brochures can be daunting. We know that, folks, requiring creativity and precision. An AI generator simplifies the process. Enter your prompt as we've done just here and receive tailored professional brochure templates instantly. So we've got our prompt in there. Let's go ahead and hit generate. All right, folks, so it's actually generating our design. So guys, you just got to make sure you can sign in, guys, because it's free to create an account, which is really, really cool. So make sure you do create that account, and then you'll be able to actually go ahead and generate something. Okay, so let's have a look. Incorporating design templates, guys. The whole brochure is coming together in real time right now, and I would just want you to see analyzing brochure content, revising brochure structure. I want you to see this full outlay, the full process of how this actually happens in real time. So it's generating the structure now, updating brochure content, constructing the JSON. Here we go. Look, it's coming together. Key benefits, why choose us. Ready to elevate your business, power your growth with our SaaS platform. Lovely. Still constructing the JSON. I love seeing it come together in real time. And bang, here we go. So how does this look? We'll give that a thumbs up because I reckon it looks pretty awesome. All right, you can add a bit of a comment, tell us more. I can say, looks really clean, submit feedback. Okay. And you can continue editing here, okay? But this is essentially it, okay? And what I really like is that you can actually try different template styles as we do have here. See, we've got the different styles down the bottom if you don't quite like this one. So I actually think this is a pretty cool style. I quite like it. It's got the QR code there if you want to gain immediate access, okay? You can go in and actually press customize on it as well, which is great that you can actually do that too, okay? That's going to load it up in a separate window there in the Venngage editor. And that actually just gives us a bit of a better view there, okay? So key benefits, why choose us, the streamlined workflow, okay? The insights, all the other info that you need, okay? You got the phone number, the email, the actual website. Pretty clean, guys. You tell me in the comments section what you think. And this is another section here. It's called features, the pricing plan, okay, and what our clients actually say. So really, really nice customization potential there. And you can also continue editing there. And let's just say maybe we like this template instead. Right, it can actually go ahead and generate another design based off a different template. Because I actually quite like the graphic design, this kind of red and blue triangle features here. I think that's also a pretty cool little update as well. And it's going to basically update that same prompt just with that different template style, which is really nice. And there you see it, folks. We've just customized it and changed it up to a different design. And there it is right there. I mean, how cool is that? All right. So again, if we just want to go in and actually customize that, we can. Okay, that was our previous one there. And this is our new one getting uploaded here. And yeah, folks, you can go ahead and customize all of this. Say, for example, you want to say just business upgraded, for example. We can just take that off there, okay? You can change up different bits there, all right? You can change everything on here. You can customize, which is great. But to be fair, I don't think I'd actually want to customize too much on here. And you've got all these sections on the side, AI tools, templates, text, icons, images, elements, charts, projects, all there for you to add in there. And this is a really cool section here in the brand kit in the customized section. So look at this, autofill your brand kit, set up your brand assets instantly and add them to your design. Okay, so we can actually go ahead and do that. All right, so say we want to go Pokemon card mania, say it's a Pokemon card business, or maybe we just go something like, there we go, maybe we just pick this one for example. All right, PokemonCard.com. So you basically have your website, okay? So we could use this website, and that can basically automatically adapt the brand kit, okay? So you've already got your website live, for instance, and it's going to bring everything over, okay? So you can essentially add that brand kit in there, okay? Really, really simple to do it, okay? On the business section there, okay? On the business profile, really good. Got all your different colors, the heading, really nice. You got the different fonts in there that you can explore too. Because let's be real, folks, the thing is, folks, AI generations usually do look pretty generic, but this actually looks like a real person that we pay good money for has actually done it in real time. And by using the actual brand kit here, we can also just change things up. Say we want to shuffle this up, the color palette, and see how adaptive that is, okay? So we can choose these different color palettes. So these are all pretty nice. I quite like that one. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, but even this first one, that's pretty cool. See how that's just automatically changes that palette there. And even if we're like not happy with the font, look at this. Change the fonts up. Say we want to go Montserrat, Railway, Pattaya. See, we can change those fonts up. The fonts and the palettes, really nice. So with this cool technology here that is on Venngage, it simply means designers can skip the boring initial phases and non-designers can actually get it done far more efficiently. It's just pretty astonishing that myself as a non-designer can actually go on here and make something extremely professional looking just by myself. Alright guys, so using our original one here, okay, this is the SaaS brochure overview here. We also want to explore the AI tools section here, okay? So there's some cool bits and pieces here, guys. We've got the AI designer, the generate images, the generate icons, the generate designs, the improve text, and the translate text, okay? So we're going to go ahead and use the actual image generator here to get something relevant to the actual topic, okay? So let's just pop that in there and see what it spits out for us. All right, so as we can see with the image generator, we've got some nice little images that have come up here on the left-hand side. Let's just go have a bit of a look, and we can just click on that for our example and say we want that image there. We just want to replace that there, for instance. Really simple just to go ahead and do that. Or maybe we like this one, for example. We could just place that there. Maybe we don't like that one. So easy. Just click, drag it across, resize. You can center it right in there. How good's that? Simple as that. All right, so next I want to go ahead and actually show you the improve text feature here, okay? So edit just one text box, quickly fix tone, wording, or length. So we'll select that there, okay? And what it says is first select a text box. So say, for example, we want to improve this text box right here, all right? And we can make it shorter, more professional. Let's make it shorter, all right? Let's make it more concise. So we're improving the text here, okay? And look at that. Automate tasks and manage workflows from one dashboard, saving time and reducing errors. So that's been reduced there, okay? So as you can see, we've actually reduced just a few words in there just to make it a bit cleaner, or we can make it look a bit more professional, okay? We can click the Make More Professional button. And look at that, streamline operations and oversee workflows through a centralized dashboard, enhancing efficiency and minimizing errors. Nice. And I also want to show you the generate icons section, okay? So you can create icons that match your design and topics. Let's click on there, all right? And we've got a whole different array of different icons, okay? So you can generate an AI icon there. But say, for example, we just want to go with this one, all right? That looks pretty cool. Say, for instance, we just want to replace that there. So you can generate icons and you can also quickly swap these different icons out as well. Also, folks, before I actually tell you a little bit about the actual getting signed up with the pricing, folks, we're just going to go into the accessibility section there and check the accessibility. So we can actually go ahead and check the design itself here on the right-hand side. And we can actually see that there's been 10 issues detected, but it's really cool because you can auto fix these issues. So this is super helpful right here, okay? So for example, the color contrast failed. Low contrast text can be difficult to read. Make sure your design meets the following color cast thresholds, okay? For contrast, normal text 451, large text at least 18px and bold, or at least 24px and regular 3:1, and meaningful graphics as well, okay? So there's just basically about insufficient color contrast on here as well. Okay, the text size was a fail, all right, as well, and a few other things that can go through manual review as well. So that's fantastic that you can actually use that accessibility checker to really make sure you're getting it 100% right and that you're actually getting somebody else to actually check it there, all right, through using Venngage. Very cool. Alrighty, folks, so after that has been exported, that is basically the final product there. So if we're happy with that, then, I mean, what more do you need, guys? Okay, so all of the links to go ahead and actually get signed up, folks, with Venngage will be at the top of the video's description there and also in the pinned comments. But you guys let me know. I mean, I'm personally feeling pretty good about this brochure that was whacked up in virtually just seconds, okay? If we wanted to go as well with just that second design too, I mean, there it is right there, folks. I mean, you don't get much cleaner or much slicker than that. I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. Alrighty, now in terms of the actual plan here, the business is the most popular at $24 per month, okay? Get signed up for free. You can go premium at $10, but I do reckon the business is the one there, or you can get in at enterprise prices for $4.99 per month, where you get minimum 10 members. Very, very cool, guys. Very cool indeed. Now, folks, come on. Stop staring at blank pages. Go ahead and click on the link in the description and in the top of the pinned comments to access over 100 AI tools for free and build your first brochure with Venngage in minutes. So yeah, I've really enjoyed talking in today's video about Venngage, and I hope you guys get signed up and can enjoy it as much as I did.